Dear friends, welcome to Tech Nursery. In this small video, we are going to discuss how to implement onKeyPress event in React.js. This is my React.js code. Here I have a div as a parent element. Inside div I have input element. For input element I have onKeyPress props. It accepts a handle key press function. Let us check the function definition. Handle key press. It accepts event parameter. I just print the event.key on the terminal. Key pressed colon event.key. That means inside this input element, if we press any key from the keyboard, onKeyPress will call handle key press and we will get that event here. Event.key will show the which key is pressed. For example, if event.key is equal to enter, we will alert it enter key was pressed. So in this code, I import React from React and I have functional component key press example. Inside the functional component, I have handle key press function. I check the key which is pressed in this event. Then I have return div as a parent element. Inside that I have input element. I have used onKeyPress props, passed handle key press function which already defined here. It accepts event parameter and check the key which is pressed already. So onKeyPress event inside this input element is implemented like this. At the end I have export command, export default key press as an example. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you.